Very good morning, everybody. Before starting this video, I want to tell you something about my nation from the bottom of my heart on this very auspicious day. Wishing all of you a very happy, auspicious, prosperous Independence Day. Ladies and gentlemen, today is 15th of August. On this day, we become independent from foreign invaders. The colonial era has had evaporated on this day. Ladies and gentlemen, this nation is about to be 75-year-old. Today we celebrated 74th Independence Day. I tribute to those who lost their lives in order to facilitate the way of liberty. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank and I want to pay a tribute, heartful tribute to those who sacrificed their life when Jallianwala Bagh happened. The most important part of our liberation movement was there was two movement was going in tandem. First was the movement of getting liberty, and the other was the reforms of Indian society. The great people of this nation, demigods of this nation, were trying to eradicate some evil practices which is being practiced at that point of time. I want to tell you, the evil practice was Sati Pratha, child marriage. Such kind of evil practices was prevailing at that point of time. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Dayananda Saraswati, and some other demigods done a great job to eradicate such kind of evils. Every people had done their own part in order to get liberty. I especially want to extend my gratitude to the leaders. We must consider their great efforts. We must keep in our mind they kissed the rope and they end their life for Mother India. Leaders like Subhash Chandra Bose, leaders like Lala Rajpat Rai, leaders like Sardar Bhagat Singh had sacrificed. We must remember the sacrifice of these demigods. Our nation is, prospering again, just because of their sacrifice. Common people had sacrificed a lot. We must remember, must keep in our mind that yes, of course, the great leaders were torch bearer, but the real sacrifice had been done by the common people of this nation. Common people were done a great job when it comes to facilitate the way of Quit India movement, Dandi journey, the Dandi movement. This was the driving force of Indian liberation movement. Some unfortunate things has happened. This nation has been partitioned on the basis of religion. This was the most unfortunate part of our liberation movement, ladies and gentlemen. The liberty means simply is not getting liberty from colonial powers. Of course, this is the chief part of getting liberty, but eradicating evil practices, facilitating the way for noble practices is the real independence. So we must facilitate the way, we must end the friction. Religious matters must not be interfered when it comes to making the law for the nation. Lawmakers must be secular. This must be our attitude and characteristic. I hope you understand. And once again, I'm wishing very happy Independence Day. Thank you very much.